My video guide is about getting rid of the pop-up scam related to the website Capitevs.xyz. Capitevs.xyz stands for a new dangerous site that may suddenly attack Google Chrome and other browsers. This malicious site, Capitevs.xyz, basically tries to scare you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted applications. If you ever see these pop-ups, be extremely careful, don't tolerate them, and just leave this deceptive page. Don't install what these pop-ups ever promote. I recommend that you additionally research the computer with Combo Cleaner, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. Use the green download Combo Cleaner button, download the application, install the software, and start thoroughly investigating your system. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to effectively detect and remove other infections from your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner Antivirus. So you need to click on the Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.